Hello guys, welcome back. Let's go and try to create this page number. As you can see here, how we can create this page number to look like this. How we can create this, it's really easy. We just create a new slide and go to insert to smart art. I create a lesson about smart art. You can go and see them if you want in my channel. We go here, use this, change format to this, and change the color to colorful, and then click here to add many shapes, and then just number them, write the text in them, and after writing the text in them, we just simply put them down, make it the size you want. I am okay with this, and just copy that. And in which slide you have, you just change the color to red for the better see. For example, slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. Now select all and send the transition to morph. Now you have this amazing page number. You can see, just look how smooth it works. It's really great. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have many templates like this in our channel. You can see them, and we have many courses. If you like, write your opinion in the comments for me. I read them and answer them. Have a good night.